Welcome everyone. We're opening up box 4 today. Like I start all my videos, I want to show you what we've hit so far. So we've opened up 3 boxes. So there's 3 videos if you'd like to see those open. Out of 3 boxes, we've hit 3 black sapphires. We've hit 1 fuchsia and we've hit 2 green. So those are the hits that we have so far. A total of 6 hits out of 3 boxes, which is to be expected. Haven't gotten anything extra, and our best hit is a tie, 2 green so far. So hopefully we'll be able to break that orange spell, or maybe even get one of those new aquas out of 20. All right, let's get us ready to crack open box number 4 here. Let me set my camera up a little bit better. There we are. This guy's. Get that good angle. Okay. That should stay. All right, good. All right, so like I said, 2022 Topps Garbage Pail Kids Sapphire Edition. This is from Original Series 5. There's our guaranteed 2 sapphires. What I will show you are these odds on the back. But after we take off the plastic, because it's a little tough to see through this plastic. All right. There's the odds, including the 2 new, the black and the yellow. Then, of course, the aqua, which was last year's teal. And there's the pad right there that we're going for, of course. I'm starting to dig the numbers on the front. If you've seen any Sapphire 1 or 2, you know, the serial numbers are all on the back of the card. And there's 4 and 4. We're good. We have what we should have. This series, they've moved it into the front of the card. I've heard mixed feelings about it. I actually kind of like it. I kind of like having everything you want to know about the card on one side. Don't even have to flip it over to see what number it is. Frankfurter. Oh, looks like we got our first hit, and it is one of the new black. We'll finish this pack off. A black, so I continue my streak of hitting a black in every box. Delicate Tess. She is in plastic. Numbered 38. 38 out of 125. Yeah, these blacks really grow on you. That's a good looking color. Maybe because it's new, I don't know. I think it's pretty sharp. Good old riveted Rex. And welded Fred, just right back to back to back. To Def Jeff. We are pack number 4. This will officially put us halfway through the box. Got an Iron Net Nerd. Oh, this feels a little thick. Might have our second hit here. We sure do. And it is an upside down Donald, numbered 74 out of 75. Almost got the 75 out of 75. I'll tell you, the centering on these looks significantly better than Sapphire 2. Significantly. I have not seen a lot of, at least with the hits, that's really what I've been concentrating on, but I have not seen a lot of off-center cards at all. Let's finish off this pack. So we got 2 hits. We still have 3 more packs. Let's see if we can get our first 3-hit wonder. Not going to happen in this pack. number 7 of 8 total. Good old Luke Puke. Silver Toothy Ruthie. All right, last pack. Box number 4. Very nice. All right, so here are our base cards. There should be about 30 of them there. Let's hit our 2 hits here. So we got another black. This is our 4th black out of 4 boxes. Delicate Tess, numbered 38 out of 125. And then we also have an Upside Down Donald, numbered 74 out of 75. Well, thanks so much for watching. This again, box 4 out of our 20 box break. Tune in tomorrow for box number 5. Thanks so much for joining.